Welcome to Easy Higher Maths.
Solution. This is a second order differential equation and two initial conditions are given. So this equation can be written as y double dash 2 into y dash minus 3y equal to sin t. Now taking Laplace operator we can use, that is therefore L of y double dash plus 2 into y dash minus 3y equal to L of sin t. Now using the linear property, L of y dash plus 2 into L of y dash minus 3 into L of y equal to L of sin t. So here we need three formulas. Okay, so let us write the formula, that is L of y double dash is equal to s square into L of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. So this is for first one. Second one, L of y dash is equal to s into L of y minus y of 0. Also L of sin t equal to 1 by s square plus 1. These are the three formulas we have to apply here. So this is equation number 1. Therefore 1 implies, what is 1? This one, that is L of y double dash formula s square into L of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. That is first one, plus 2 into s L of y minus y of 0 minus 3 into L of y equal to 1 by s square plus 1. Now, what is given? Given y equal to dy by dt equal to 0 when t equal to 0. That means y of 0 equal to 0, y dash of 0 equal to 0. Y means y of t, this function contains t, that is y of 0. dy by dt means y dash, that also contains t, that is y dash of 0 equal to 0. Given y of 0 equal to y dash of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore s square into L of y, or you take this is equation number 2. 2 implies s square L of y minus 0, then plus 2 into s into L of y minus 0, then minus 3 into L of y equal to 1 by s square plus 1. Now this fully 0, so remaining term, that is s square into L of this implies s square into L of y plus 2s into L of y minus 3 into L of y equal to 1 by s square plus 1. So L of y is common, that is L of y into s square plus 2s minus 3 equal to 1 by s square plus 1. L of y equal to 1 by s square plus 1 or s square plus 2s minus 3 into s square plus 1. Now this is product is minus 3, sum is 2. So we can factorize this, that is equal to 1 by s plus 3 into s minus 1 into s square plus 1. Here we can apply the partial fraction method. So that is now 1 by s plus 3 into s minus 1 into s square plus 1 equal to a by s plus 3 s minus plus b by s minus 1 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 1. Here this s square plus 1 we cannot factorize, so we use this technique. Here power is 2, we take power 1, that is cs plus d, power 1 and power 0. If here power 3, we take power 2, power 1 and constant. Now taking LCM here numerator value is equal to 1 equal to, you take except this term, that is this and this. So a into s minus 1 s square plus 1 plus b into remaining part of this one. So that is b into s plus 3 s square plus 1. Last one except this term, that is cs plus d into s plus 3 into s minus 1. So now our aim is to find the value of a, b, c. So put s is equal to, so you take this is equation number already 2, now 3. So before that you take this also equation number, so this is equation number 3, you take this is equation number 4. Put s is equal to 1 in 4. So what is value? This term contains s minus 1, this term contains s minus 1, that is 0. So 1 equal to only this term, so 0 plus b into 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. That implies, so that implies b is equal to 1 by 8. Next put s is equal to minus 3. If put here s minus 1, that is why we put s is equal to 1. Here s plus 3, so we put s is equal to minus 3. So in put s is equal to minus 3 in equation number 4, that is 4 implies, what is the value? Don't need to put 4 implies, directly we can write 1 equal to, so here 3, here s plus 3, that will be 0, here s plus 3, that will be 0, that is a into minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 the whole square plus 1. So this is 1 equal to, here minus 4, here 9 plus 1, 10. So that is minus 40a. This implies a is equal to minus 1 by 40. So these two step. Okay, now it is not possible to get directly, so we can equating the coefficient of some s or s square etc here. So equating the coefficient of s cube in 4. So our idea is you take the coefficient of sc cube in this, from this equation number 4. So here no s cube, so that is equal to 0. Here s into s square is s cube. So coefficient a s into a s square, that is a s cube. So coefficient is a, b s into s square, that is b, cs into s cs square into s cs cube, that is c, d into s ds into s square, ds square. So there is no s cube. So only these things. So now substitute the values. That is 0 is equal to, what is a value? So put okay, that is minus 1 by 40 plus what is b? b is equal to 1 by 8 plus c. So that is 0 is equal to here 5. If you take LCM, that is here 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 by 40 plus C, that is cancel. So that is equal to what? This implies C is equal to minus 1 by 10. At last we put AC is equal to 0. Put AC is equal to 0 because we need one equation that contains D. So it is better what? AC is equal to 0. So if you put AC is equal to 0 in equation number 4, what will be the answer? For here 1, there is no change, 1, 0 that is equal to minus 1, 0 that is equal to 1. 1 into minus 1 that is minus A. Here 0 plus 3, 3. Here 0 plus 1, 1. That is 3 into 1, 3. That is 3B. Then here S is equal to 0. This time vanish. Here 0 that is 3 into minus 1 minus 3. D minus 3D. Now substitute the values. That is 1 equal to minus A. That is equal to minus of minus 1 by 40 plus 3B. 3 by or 3 into 1 by 8 minus 3D. So that is 1 equal to 1 by 40 plus 3 by 8 minus 3D. So that is taking LCM what? Here 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16. That is 1 equal to 60 by 40 minus 3D. So cancel by 8. So that is 2 by 5. So that is equal to that is, or we can write this is here we can write 1 equal to 2 by 5 minus 3D. So 3D is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 that is 3D is equal to minus 3 by 5, D is equal to minus 1 by 5. So we got all the values in this equation A, B, C, D. Now equation number 3. Now we can take the equation number 3. That is, it is equation number 3. 1 by S plus 3 into S minus 1 into S square plus 1 equal to A. A is equal to minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 40 by S plus 3 plus B. B is equal to 1 by 8 by S minus 1 plus C. C is equal to C here. C is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 S plus D. D is equal to minus 1 by 5 all divided by S square plus 1. Now, but this is L of Y. This is equal to L of Y. The L of Y is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. This is equal to this one. So L of Y is equal to this one. Therefore, L of Y equal to this one. This can be written as minus 1 by 40 into 1 by S plus 3 plus 1 by 8 into 1 by S minus 1 minus 1 by 10 into S by S square plus 1, because this is separate division, this by this one and this by this one. Last one minus 1 by 5 into S square plus 1. So our aim is to find the value of Y only. So we take inverse Laplace on both sides. Therefore, Y of t equal to L inverse of, or we can write L inverse of, we take minus 1 by 40 outside. L inverse of 1 by S plus 3. Again, plus 1 by 8 into L inverse of 1 by S minus 1 L minus 1 by 10 L inverse of S by S square plus 1 minus 1 by 5 into L inverse of one by S square plus 1. Now we can apply the formula. What are the formulas? We have L inverse of 1 by S plus 3 equal to e raised to minus 3t, and L inverse of 1 by S minus 1 is equal to e raised to t. L inverse of 1 by S square plus 1 equal to sin t. L inverse of S by S square plus 1 is equal to cos t. So these are some formulas we used. So that is, this is equation number, so we take as 4, this is equation number 5. Therefore 5 implies y of t equal to minus 1 by 40. This value is equal to e raised to minus 3t. This value is equal to e raised to t. This value is equal to cos t. Last, this value is equal, or we can write here minus 1 by 5 into sin t. We write the first positive term, that is equal to e raised to t by 8 minus e raised to minus 3t by 40 minus cos t by 10 minus sin t by 5. So this is our answer.